Hey guys, back out at the coast, quick after work trip. Gonna fish from now, it's about 5 o'clock until sunset. I'm hoping I can find these guys hiding in the pads. The sun came out and it's supposed to go back down in a little bit. So I'm gonna hit the pads, hit the grass, throw frogs, flip in there. There's a bunch of people on the dock, so it doesn't look like I'm gonna get to fish the dock, and that's fine. So hoping I can get on some fish. It's been a few days and got the itch again, so let's see what happens. All right guys, right into the sun here. I'm gonna work my way along these reeds here, stop and pop some of these pads. That's where they've hung out here in the past. Try a whole bunch of stuff. We'll see if anything takes. I'll probably anchor up and pick apart certain spots for a little bit. That's what I had success on last time, but it's a different month, different day, different weather, different everything than last time. So I'm not gonna stick to anything that isn't working. Had some success on the shaky head here last time, just right up against the pads. We'll see if it works again. This time got a ring fry on it instead of a worm. We'll see if that makes any difference whatsoever. Got one. Decent one too. Decent one too. Stay down, please, bud. Stay down. Right in the pads where I thought he would be. Oh, took some drag too. That's not a bad fish. He's at least 2 pounds. Ooh, bud. Ooh, bud. No, 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 no. Nice. We were on the board like 6 casts in. Barely hooked him. It's a nice fish. He's a beautiful fish. He's definitely, he'll go 2 pounds all day. All darn day. Cool. Just whipping into the back of these pads, and this is where I found them before, kind of where this grass and pads meet. And they seem to like to hide behind the pads and up against next to the grass. Cool. Cool. Again, that fish came on a Lake Fork Tackle ring fry. It's a cool little bait. I really love how it looks in the water. It smells to high hell, man. It's crazy garlic. Just it fills the whole house, whole boat, everything. Looks cool in the water. I've got it on Mega Strike. Whoa, Mega Strike shaky head. Typical spinning setup. New rod, obviously, since I snapped my other one in the last video. This is the same rod, but in a medium. So we'll see how long till that one breaks. But good stuff. Good start. 6 or 7 casts in, and I feel pretty good about that. So that cast is kind of right where I want it. Behind the pads, between the pads and the reeds. That seems to be where they're hanging out. And I think I have another one. No, I don't. I'm getting tapped. Getting tapped. I was getting tapped, I promise. I don't really enjoy the fact that when I have lures flying at me, my instinct is to just stand there. I mean, I was that close from getting drilled there. And I gotten drilled before because of it. Got him. Holy cow. He really wants to jump. Oh, I broke him off. Fuck me. Oh. He was like a lead weight, man. I have no idea how big that fish was because he was like a lead weight. I was trying to pull him out of there and he was pulling drag. I don't know what happened there. Ugh. Dang it. He looked pretty small. Like, he didn't look like a big fish, but he was pulling drag and really giving me a run for my money. I don't know what happened there. Oh man, I should have just drug him in. Oh well. The fact that fish was swimming so weird and just felt like dead weight, it kept coming to the surface and just kind of sitting there. Man, something felt really weird about that whole thing. I'm getting bit again. I don't know what it was. I don't know what happened there, man. I don't get broken off like ever. So, you know, that's kind of weird for me in itself. Not gonna dwell on it. I did not know I was in grass here. I'll run the chatter, chatter, chatter through here. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Well, I'm continuing to move down this bank. This sun is just beating down on me. There's so much good cover here. I tried working the frog for a bit. Throwing chatterbait through here a bunch. All my bites. Oh, that's a fish. Oops. All my bites have come on the shaky head. I've missed a few like that where I can feel thump, thump, thump. And I'm not actually hooking into them. And obviously I lost that one that broke off that I'm still not sure if it was just big, if my knot failed, if I was nicked. I really have no idea. It broke right down by the bait. And it definitely broke. It didn't come untied because the line was broken, but I would love to know what the failure there was. And I would love to avoid it in the future, but I'm gonna keep working down here and working these pads and grass. Let's see if I can't pull a few more out. Well guys, bite all but stopped. Did stop and really had a couple little nibbles, but otherwise nothing will commit to anything I throw. So what I've done here is move down deeper into the lake to where the pads are thicker. I'm thinking the sparse pads I've been fishing along there aren't really holding fish, so I'm gonna move to these thicker ones under the assumption that with the sun having been out all day, they're gonna be hunkered down in here where it's nice and shady. So we'll see. Hey, hold on, I got a fish, hold on. Got him. Oh, I lost him. What's up? Oh my God. See how long it's gonna take me to lose my lure and all these snags back here. Oh, or fish. Does he have it? A bass just came up and whacked this thing on the surface and then followed it over here and hit it again. Let's see if he'll hit it while it's sitting here. Just for the record, jet skiers are the biggest douchebags on earth. Oh, I missed him. Bugger all. Well, as you can see, it's getting dark. I probably got a half hour until sunset. I am like 100 feet from the Pacific Ocean, so sun gives me a little bit extra time, and it's still up there, but it's behind some clouds, so it's gonna get dark quicker. It's been a weird evening. I got, you know, a fish right away, like right off the bat, like 5-6 casts in, and then hooked into another one that I lost, and then I've got a bunch of nibbles and nothing since. I just missed a little frogfish down there, but you know, he was nothing to write home about, I could tell. So I'm gonna jet back over to the side of the lake I was catching fish on and cruise down it back to the boat ramp, and just, man, I'm hoping I can pick a couple more off. All my fish from this lake in the last year or so have been over there, so I'm gonna head back over there. And if I don't catch anything, I'll catch you guys at my sign out. I am not sure what to even throw anymore. I'm not having any real action on top water, even though the sun's finally down and it is topwater time. You can tell by that one cast that the weeds are not really gonna let me throw this much. So I'm gonna toss it over there and see if anything happens and then go back to frogging, I guess. Well guys, I think this is about gonna do it. weird day. You know, I really had high hopes after getting a couple quick ones on at the beginning, and then after I broke off, I've just had nibbles and short strikes and not much else. They just really shut down. Kind of thought when this cloud cover rolled in that the bite would pick up, considering it was some pretty bright sun earlier, but honestly, I mean, the bites died down since the sun went down, so just don't know. You know, it's nice to get on the water anyway, and you know, chance to get the family out to the beach and have some fun. You know, late evening, we left after work, and you know, got a few hours on the coast, so it's all right. But here's sunset. Guess it's gonna be a fairly quick video unless I happen to snag one more on my way back in, but it's not looking great right now, so gonna say goodbye. Appreciate everybody watching. You know, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I super appreciate subscribers and the repeat viewers, and especially those guys who've been with me since the start as I've been trying to grow this and as I've been trying to grow as a fisherman. You know, you guys are getting to come along with the journey as I feel my way through stuff, as I apply new tactics, you know, apply things I've learned from various places. And so I appreciate that. I appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Look at all these friggin' birds.